So I'm wondering something now, and I've only just begun to think about it, and I really don't know how I will see this and what decision I'll come to. I'm wondering basically why nature has made sex so desirable. Why did nature make the pursuit of sex for a man a very important desire in life? In other words, I'm wondering what role does sexual attraction, what role does that play in the mating game and the family game? And the reason is babies can be produced by copulation. It doesn't have to be an attractive thing. It doesn't have to be sexually attractive and desirable in that way. It could be just a functional activity that doesn't have any pleasure associated with it. So I am wondering why nature made sex so pleasurable. What purpose does that serve? Why is sex not just a functional activity with no pleasure associated with it? Because it will still happen, but sexual attraction must play some role in the process. I'm trying to understand what that is.